Hey, what's up guys, Jorgen here. It was a while ago since I did a review about some totally wireless headsets, but now has a Bang Olufsen a new product, their BeoPlay E8. Bang Olufsen is known for making some premium quality products with an exclusive design, and here has they managed to make some really good looking totally wireless headphones. The headphone is mostly made of plastic, and I like the design. It's quite cool and it's not too big, so it doesn't look too big and bulky on your ear when you use it. And not my main favorite feature, the touch control. No buttons that can feel uncomfortable as you often press in the earpiece in your ear. Here do you have a touch control on both earpieces. So you have split up the controls on both the earpieces. So you have a lot of controls to your disposal here. Most of the times does this work really nice, but sometimes you have to press once or twice for the command to be activated. It can be a little bit annoying sometimes. Something that I miss is voice notification, so you can get the battery level or when you activate transparency mode. So this would be really nice to have. So maybe can they just fix this with a software update. But a big plus to the touch control, as you have so many controls to your disposal. With the headset you get a case. On the outside do you have black leather, so it looks quite exclusive. And this is not just a case for storing your headset. This is also the charger, and you can even charge your headset 2 times when you're on the go. And the headset has around 4 hours of playtime, depending on the volume you play on. As the headset has around 4 hours of playtime, and you can charge it for 2 times when you're on the go. So do you have a total of 12 hours of playtime when you're on the go, and that's not too bad. On the back do you have 2 indicator lights that shows how many charging times you have left when you're on the go. And you also have a micro USB port for charging. You can also fast charge your headset for around 20 minutes, and then you get around 1 hour of playtime. The headset is also splash and dust proof. So it's designed to be used both outside or when you work out. And that's always nice when you can use it in different situations. You also have a voice assistant, so you can use your favorite smart assistant to do different tasks. When it comes to the sound, so is it quite good and clear, even if you can't compare it to ordinary headphones in that price range. But I feel that both the high and low notes are quite balanced here, even if you can feel that the high notes can be some more noticeable in some situations. You can also take phone calls with a headset, but here is the quality not that really good. Even the person you call can feel that the quality is not that really good. So this is a little bit disappointing here. Then we have the BeoPlay app, which is an app where you can control the headset from your phone. Here can you make some sound adjustments, you can control the music, you can see the battery level and things like that. You also have something they call transparency mode, which is a way of you can control how much of the surrounding sound you can hear. So here can you make some different settings, and then you can turn it on and off on the headset. And for me this just feel like you're setting a level of the volume. So when you turn it on, just the volume is lowered so you can hear more of the surrounding. When it comes to the comfort, so it is probably one of the strongest side on the headphone. They feels nice to wear and always stay in place. I have tested them in different situations and not have any problem and always feel safe to wear them. If we take a look at the overall experience, so do I feel that there are some to work on. Hopefully can some of it be fixed with some software updates. It would be nice to have a voice notification and things like that. But if we take a look at the product, so is it a high quality product, as always from Bang Olufsen. And I think that's it guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe so I can see you in the next one. Over and out.